Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing an unboxing, something I ordered from MATCHY, Japan, and it arrived 2 days ago, but I just have a little bit of time during lunch now to get this open. Very excited because you'll see what I mean once I get it open. So less of the talking and let's get unwrapping. I understand that the person that was selling this item only bought it from the shop on the end of July. I think they said the receipt is July 31st, so let's hope everything's intact. And I think they also sent me the packaging as well. Okay, so today we will be unboxing something from Swatch, and I guess you would have guessed it's from Royal Pop. Okay, so they have 2 Swatch bags, and everything is taken out. I think you can already figure out what I bought and what color. So it is the AUDEMARS PIGUET X Swatch Royal Pop. I've been waiting for this to come out, and I'm not close to any shops. I understand that you have to always be checking in early in the morning. No one has any idea when they drop. So this is the box. I got the red and pink Otto Rosso color. And up. I would put the details on the screen. And let's take a look. So it still has the film. This is the back. I want to make sure that the camera can, it's not very clear. Completely new. And I think it also came with the certificate. So being from Japan, it's much more trustworthy. This is the reference number. The person bought it on July 30th, 2026 from the Swatch shop. Okay, so it comes with the certificate, but I don't see a receipt, but I think this is probably good enough. Let's see if there's anything in here. Nope. Ah, there is. It was bought from Takashimaya at this price without the taxes. Okay, so I'll put on the screen for how much I paid for, but now I just wanted to see it close up. I don't think my camera is clear. I'm using an older version camera. I did buy a new phone, but I'm yet to set that up. So hopefully I can get a better shot of this Royal Pop. Let's see how it pops out. Just like that. And here I already got a watch band and see how this will look popped in. So this is option number 1, and then I also got another one, a different pink, but let's see how it will look with a clear case. Let's pop this off. Oops. Came off like that. I'll be right back. So this one will look like this. And apologies guys if it's not clear. I'm using a really bad camera. But out of the two, which wristband would you prefer? This one I think is purposely matchy to the dial, pink and red, and this one's clear, but I think this one looks pretty cool as well. So it has 3 tones, red, lighter pink, and like a more fuchsia or hot pink type of wristband. So basically these are the two that I've selected, and let me get a thumbnail for video. So I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. If any of you have gotten the Spoil Pop or want it and want to know more about it, feel free to leave any comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!